into respecting, if you're going to take a life, you respect that life and use every little piece that you can, including some pieces that aren't typically consumed in our culture. The cool thing is you look around the planet and you look back in time, and there's all these crazy little bits and pieces that get thrown away here that are some of the most exciting flavors, textures, and things for us to play with. Being somebody who learned from true craftsmen, someone who strives to be a craftsman, I can really appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into Melio knives. And sounds kind of funny, but you can feel that energy, you know? Like any inanimate object that someone's put love into making has a certain energy about it. And that's the type of energy I want in my hands.
Our philosophy on dealing with product is one of no waste. We do everything we can with every little piece, even if some of the weirder pieces are harder to sell, harder to prep. A lot of times those are the best tasting pieces. They just need a little extra love. Using sustainable seafood is one way to set yourself apart as a restaurant. Without a doubt, there's value in it, even if you pay a little bit more.